Yeah,
right?
the key. Yeah, turn the key.
Yep.
And then
What else?
choke. This little tab right here.
Yeah.
Push it forward.
Uh-huh.
The choke's on. Pull start it.
Hell. Is it seized already?
Yeah, and then you're gonna wanna that's just what it idles at. It idles low.
No, that's where it idles at?
I can make it go lower. It just responds better when it idles a little higher like that.
This is the brake, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh.
I was trying to get it to pop.
It popped.
I know, but I'm trying to get it to pop. That's why I drove so close.
Good.
Pretty fun. Yeah, Ryan's is really fast, but at the same time, I like the handling on this.
Yeah.
You should straighten out your handlebars more.
That's as straight as they're gonna get, bro. It's not a
That's-
bicycle.
It's straight right there. Look how crooked it is.
It's because the
Look at
fork's
this.
a little bent.
Look how
Bro,
crooked
it's also
this
the
is.
bag. It's straight.
No, that is crooked, bro.
Bro, it's fine. The fork's bent through a lot, okay?
I don't think so. Well, we've done a lot lately.
That
Off
fork's bent
camera.
through a lot, but
Like
yeah,
Ryan's bike.
What are your thoughts on how it feels in comparison to Ryan's?
It rides real smooth, but Ryan's just dips, bro. You need some upgrades
Ryan's
on that.
is definitely a straight line mini. Mine,
Agreed.
You weren't even leaning it, really. Mine, you can lean a lot more, like in the turns.
Oh my god.
You got it? Yeah, my mini's complete. I just need to finalize.
Ugh, here you go.
Thank you. Carbon helmet, by the way. Full
Oh yeah,
carbon.
look at that. Well, so
I just
obviously
need to
we
finalize it.
we
New front
finished
wheel.
yeah, we've
and
done
a new seat.
yeah.
And that's pretty much it.
And then you added that just last night or the other
Yeah.
night.
It's just a little breather tube. Basically, this pipe vents like air and oil out of the crankcase.
Let's go back in the
Yeah,
backyard.
the crankcase vent, and it lets like oil and gunk through to the carb. And I didn't like that because my carb got clogged up after like 2 days.
Yeah.
So,
This fool's
so I
car,
just did
it just stopped running. And we're
Yeah.
like, oh, it needs a new motor.
that. No, it was just the carb was dirty.
Yeah. Well, that was pretty fun. I mean, we got Ryan's bike running and it blew, and right now it's all in pieces, right, Ryan?
Yeah, we got some clips of the.
Look, say hi, girls. Famous part 2, or that would be 3, because I already said part 2. They just were. Oh, damn. But yeah, Ryan's motor blew. No, just kidding. No, his cousin crashed it. See, doesn't it work? And you just cut it, huh?
Bro, I was trying to cut it, bro, and it wasn't. I need
Really?
to cut it with the cutoff wheel or something.
Here, let me try, Ryan.
Bro, I even used the new snips, but it didn't work.
Damn.
Let me see, Ryan. Let me try one more time.
You see where I was cutting
Yeah.
it?
God damn.
The fuck are they made out of?
Stainless.
Oh. Yeah.
There it goes.
Here's his new motor.
There it goes.
You got it?
I just had to bend it a little.
Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, no more black motor for Ryan.
I know.
When his cousin crashed it, it bent the what was it, the flywheel, Ryan?
Mm-hmm.
It's because when Ryan was younger, he used to just steal whole gallons of paint and just chuck them at walls open.
And then I would paint, bro. Yeah, get rid of all the graffiti, bro.
And then you just added yours. And my
Yep.
hands are all dirty.
He would do opposite graffiti. He would do like a big blob and make it a word inside of the big blob of
Well, this
paint.
is the
Just
engine off of the edger. The one edge right there.
Just
Brought that over.
No, I'm saying like
Dude,
the
they
inside
didn't
would
have
just be the
this.
wall,
I
and
can't
the
believe they
outside
didn't
would
have
be the
this.
paint. The inside of the word.
But
So
this
it's
is the
like
gas
brick-
tank.
It's like brick.
Oh yeah, that shit should be chilling.
It's like brick opposite.
Where'd
side.
But-
Jesse go?
I don't know.
He went back to his house to like, I don't know, take his box back or something. He said he might ride his mini back. Oh yeah, dude, it is taking your paint off.
That's fine. It's fine.
It's powder coated.
Yeah. Oh well. Oh well. Oh, look at that. It just came right off. It's pretty cool now on the cap. Shove it in there, Jake. Whoa. That's a good one, Jake. Sheesh.
What that tower?
All right. I see you. Alright. It looks different. It looks better than the last one. Oh, is this the thing that you got? Is that why?
Yeah, that's my new carb. It's a OKO PWK 28 millimeter.
Damn.
This is 28 millimeter right here. It's pretty nice. Very nice. It's very nice.
Jake, forgot to mention the scooter you gave me
Yeah.
for free.
Yeah.
So I already bought a bunch of parts for it, so I need to start taking this thing apart actually.
I gave it to him with all the billet shit.
Yeah, I ordered more billet stuff.
Billet clamp. It's got the billet jack.
Like I got a black bulb. I mean, you all see it later.
What pipe is this called, Ryan? The Rhino or something? Kelsey over here doing a little custom sticker for me on my Mini.
Is it black?
Yeah, it's sparkly black with purple.
Let's hope it stays on. No! Don't look at the card information. What are you doing? Don't look at him. Look at me.
Hell yeah. That looks baller. That looks dope. Thanks, Kelsey.
Yeah, okay.
I also got a cool little Harley travel bag for extra spare parts and tools when we go on long rides.
710. Oh,
Oil.
it's got purple on it. That's pretty dope.
Yeah.
Oh, it's sparkly.
It's on.
It's all together, Ryan?
You believe so? This is the new car, bro. I don't
The new car?
Let me grab a flathead so you can adjust your idle and stuff too.
Okay.
Put your feet between his toes.
Here. Oh, I was gonna say here, you want me to try to control it so you can adjust it?
Yeah.
That's me holding it a little. My bad.
It was
Yes.
still on choke.
Oh. Okay. Just way louder. Sound like a fucking racer now. Just like backfired every stop.
That's all I get.
That's it? That's all the way in?
Yeah.
Nah, bro, there's no way.
Yeah, bro, that's all the way in. That's just loud as fuck, bro. My ears are ringing.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's really loud.
The reason.
Well,
Doesn't want to idle.
we're gonna be
It's not
ending
getting enough
the
airflow.
video for right now till next time. Till Ryan figures out what's
Yeah.
happening.
We're just gonna adjust it. We might throw in a little clip of him riding it, ripping down the street at like 90 miles an hour, because that's what this thing's gonna do now.
Yeah, well, we gotta figure out. Ryan's gotta figure out. Jake's gotta figure out. I don't know any of this, so.
It's just adjusting, bro. That's all it is. There's only a couple adjustments. You just have to fine tune it. That's all it is.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna end the video right here, and then see you next time.